First we prepare journal. Journal is known as primary book, correct? And the process is recording, recording, correct? Then we prepare ledger. Ledger is known as principal book. Ledger is known as principal book, correct? The other name of ledger is principal book. Why principal? Because without ledger we cannot find out balance to prepare trial balance, correct? तो इसको principal book बोलते हैं. And the process is known as classifying, correct? Then we prepare trial balance. Trial balance is only a statement. It is not a book. It is a statement. And this process is known as summarizing. Summarizing. This much we have done. बताओ. Recording, classifying, summarizing. Trial balance. So journal is also known as primary. Primary means first book. Primary book. Then we prepare ledger book. Ledger is known as principal book. Principal book. Correct? Understood? So this too is known as bookkeeping. Bookkeeping. Now from trial balance, we prepare financial statement. Financial statement means what? Abhi right now, we'll only think about balance sheet and two, statement of profit and loss. Statement of profit and loss. Correct? This point. So for this we need to go to some other chapter. Final, this one chapter, final account of sole proprietorship. So that we'll discuss there. But Kinesis, to come to that chapter, we need to be very much strong in recording, classifying, and summarizing. Once the trial balance is prepared, then it is very easy to prepare what final account. Can I say trial balance is a statement of a real account, personal account, and nominal account? Correct. So just write down. Now we are into trial balance. Point number one. Trial balance is a trial balance statement of real account, personal account, and nominal account. Correct? That is capital account, that is capital, asset, liabilities, income and expense. Correct? Correct? Understood? Then Adam, balance of balance of balance of real account and personal account, that is capital, asset and liabilities are 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 recorded in balance sheet, recorded in balance sheet. The balance of real account and personal account are recorded in balance sheet from trial balance. Correct? Understood? It means such balance are carried forward carried forward to next year, to next year. Correct? Understood? Point number 3, balance of nominal account means income and expense. Correct? Are closed are closed by transferring by transferring to profit and loss account, profit and loss account. तो बैलेंस ऑफ नॉमिनल अकाउंट इज क्लोज, उसको क्लोज कर देते हैं बाय प्रिपेयरिंग अनदर अकाउंट, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. करेक्ट? तो नॉमिनल अकाउंट is always closed by transfer to next year. It means balance of nominal account is not carried forward to next year. Correct? So it is not carried forward to next year. Correct? So next year only the balance of asset, liability and capital is carried forward. Income and expense will be closed. Income and expense will be closed. Correct? Understood this point? Have you understood? Correct. Means Just try to understand. Last day we have prepared one trial balance. पहले समझते हैं. One by one. Today we'll discuss only about trial balance. ठीक है? ना बताओ everyone. Okay, in this, what is asset, liability, capital, and income and expense? तो cash account is asset, bank account is asset, stock में स्टार मार्क लगा दो. Building account is an asset, Madhu debit balance is an asset, Anand credit balance means liability, capital is capital, परचेज में स्टार मार्क, इस दोनों में स्टार मार्क दे दो एक बार. ठीक है. डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड, इनकम, डिस्काउंट अलाउड एक्सपेंस, प्लांट अकाउंट एसेट, मुकेश अकाउंट लाइबिलिटी, करेक्ट. सेल्स अकाउंट इनकम, बैड डेट अकाउंट एक्सपेंस, करेक्ट. एक बार परचेज स्टॉक बाद में समझते हैं. ठीक है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट it is very clear, very much clear. Can I say this will go to balance sheet, 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 but liability side, this will go to balance sheet, liability side, this will go to PL, this will go to PL, this will go to balance sheet, this will go to balance sheet, this will go to PL, दिस विल गो टू पीएल. ठीक है. एक बार स्टॉक और परचेज के बारे में समझो. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? बताओ. एक बार स्टॉक एंड परचेज में स्टार मार्क है, दैट विल डिस्कस इन डिटेल. बट मुझे बताओ, अपार्ट फ्रॉम स्टॉक एंड पीएल, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? हैव यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? Correct? Yes, sir. This much you understood? Yes, sir. स्टॉक परचेज बाद में बात करते हैं. आई थिंक up to this no doubt. So can I say income and expense whatever we have written, that will be transferred to PL account, that will be transferred to PL account, correct? Understood? So can I give a note? All expense and losses will be debited to profit and loss account, correct? To profit and loss account, and all income and gains will be credited to profit and loss account. All income and gain will be credited to profit and loss account, correct? Understood? This point you understood? Correct? Understood this point? So can I say financial statement. Before preparing financial statement means what? That is balance sheet and SOPL all the balance of ledger account accounts are summarized are summarized in a temporary statement known as what? बताओ, known as what? In a temporary statement known as what? Everyone? Trial balance. Very good. Trial balance. Correct. Understood? Can I say it means profit and loss account is prepared after trial balance? After trial balance. Correct? It means profit and loss account is prepared after trial balance. बताओ, in which book? In which book? कौन से बुक में बनाएंगे? In which book? It means profit and loss account is prepared after trial balance, means all other account are prepared before trial balance. But profit and loss account is prepared after trial balance. In which book? Book बताओ. In which book? Book बोला. In which book? Respond everyone. अरे बुक का नाम बताओ. बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट, बुक कीपिंग, क्या बोल रहे हो? इन विच बुक? जर्नल बुक. नलायक. I am saying it means profit and loss account is prepared in which book? Final account statement. अब देखो कितना कमजोर है आपका. Everything we have done, but you are not able to respond because you have done on rectification. आप सर rectification करके आए. SOPL. SOPL बताओ. SOPL Statement of PL. The statement of PL is book. There are only two books, journal and ledger. कितने मैं बताऊं? There are only two books, journal and ledger. There are how many books? Journal and ledger. तो बताओ, account will be prepared in journal or ledger? Account will be prepared in ledger or journal? बड़ा फटाफट. Account will be prepared in journal or ledger? Ledger. In ledger means after trial balance, we prepare PL account in ledger. Ledger बनाते हैं. बताओ, all accounts will be prepared in ledger only. All account will be prepared in ledger. Correct? Now you are correct. Ledger. बताओ, but in ledger we do posting. For posting what we want. Before posting of transaction, what we should do? मुझे बताओ कि PL account is a ledger. If PL account is prepared in ledger, so it means it is an account. So we are doing posting in that account. So before posting, what we should do? Everyone respond. बताओ. Very good. Now you are correct. It means we need to record journal entries. Record journal entries. To write down. To record, sorry, to prepare profit and loss account. To prepare profit and loss account. Closing journal entries. Closing journal entries. एक मैंने आपको बताया था ओपनिंग एंट्री. नाउ दिस इज क्लोजिंग एंट्रीज. करेक्ट? are recorded in what? बताओ. are recorded in what? पहले लिख दिया record transaction in journal. This is not transaction. We are recording closing journal entries are recorded in journal. In journal to close all income and expense account. Income and expense account. To close all income and expense account. So we close what? But we close income and expense. We never close asset, liability and capital account. Are you able to understand what I am saying? To close income and expense account. Have you understood this point? Bolo. Have you understood this point? To close income and expense account. Batao. Have you understood? Batao. So what will be the closing entry? Closing entry क्या होगा? Point number A. For closing income account, you will say me. For closing income account, बताओ. For closing income account, PL account will be debited कि credited? Entry आप बताओ. For closing income account will be debited. Sorry, PL account will be debited or credited? Correct? बताओ. So entry you need to think by your own. You need to close income. तो income as a credit balance. अगर आपको उसको क्लोज करना है दैट नीड टू बी डेबिटेड. करेक्ट? तो विल पास बन जाना एंट्री. इनकम को डेबिट कर देंगे. इनकम अकाउंट डेबिट. वेरी गुड. इनकम अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, to profit and loss account. So income will be closed and transferred to which account? PL account. And transferred to which account? PL account. Very good. Excellent. So PL will be credited and income will be debited. तो income को close कर दिया. Income को close कर दिया. Have you understood? Similarly, for closing expense account, what journal entry? For closing expense account, अब आप जाने बताइए, for closing expense account what journal entry? PL account debit to expense, correct? Profit and loss account debit to expense. Profit and loss account debit to expense. Have you understood this point? ये point समझे? But closing entry इसको record कहाँ आप कर रहे हैं बताओ? These closing entries are recorded in which book? These are recorded in which book? Book बताओ. These are recorded in which book? Mayank, you are wrong. Expense account debit to PL नहीं, PL को credit नहीं करेंगे. PL will be debited with all expenses. और expense का debit balance है. अब उसको फिर से debit करा तो you are increasing. तो now expense account will be closed. तो expense will be credited. Correct? To increase PL account debit to expense. Have you understood, Mayank? Very good. So these are recorded in journal. So closing entries are recorded in journal. In journal. बताओ. First you prepare PL account कि first you do closing entry. बताओ. First you will prepare PL account कि first you will prepare closing entry. बताओ. पहले आप closing entry record करोगे कि you will prepare PL account. बोलो. Very good. Excellent. Means you are understanding everything. So first we'll do closing entry. After that we'll prepare PL account in ledger. In ledger. But bata this closing entry and PL account is done before trial balance ki after trial balance. तो this closing entry को record कर रहे हैं before trial balance ki after trial balance बताओ. तो this closing entries are recorded before trial balance ki after trial balance. Closing entries are recorded before trial balance, after trial balance. Closing entries are recorded in journal, but before ki after trial balance. गलत बोल दिए, फिर गलत बोल दिए, एकदम गलत. Not before trial balance. Just try to understand. You prepared trial balance. आपने ट्रायल बैलेंस बना दिया, then you find out balance of income and expense, then you are passing closing entries ना. just process मत समझो. process तो हो गया first recording, then summarizing, then trial balance. तो trial balance is a statement of income, expense, asset, liability, capital. correct? तो asset, liability, capital तो close नहीं करेंगे, that will go directly to balance sheet. but income and expense will be closed by recording closing entry after trial balance in journal. In journal it will be after trial balance. So recorded in journal, but this is after trial balance ना. यही समझना, यही आपने रट्टाफिकेशन करके आए हो. This is what after trial balance. So recording is done in journal. This closing entry is recorded in journal, but after trial balance. Trial balance पहले बन गया. First you already prepared trial balance. You derive the balance of income and expense. Correct. आपको पता चला अच्छा this is income, these are expense, then you find out income and expense, and then you record these closing entries in what? Journal. Then you prepare PL account in ledger. But before ki after trial balance batao. Before ki after? It is after trial balance. After trial balance. Have you understood this point? Have you understood this point? Correct. लिखो. Detailed discussion of this. Detailed discussion of this will be in final account chapter. Final account chapter. ठीक है? Understood? Detailed discussion. Correct? Because I think you may be knowing trading account, PL account. I mean, right now I'm using only PL account. Correct now? So there are some income, there are some expense which are transferred to trading account. Now you'll ask me what is trading account. अभी मैं उसमें नहीं जाना चाहता. I don't want to go there. But I think you have understood what is PL account. Now this PL account आपके दिमाग में trading account चल रहा है. This PL account has been divided in two parts, trading and PL. Detailed discussion will be done in final account chapter. So right now we are not discussing anything about trading account or PL account or manufacturing account. अगर आपने वो भी सुना है तो. Correct? Understood this point? ये point समझे? So detailed discussion of this will be done where? In final account chapter. But I think you have understood. First we prepare what? Just write. First recording, then what? First journal, then what? Ledger, then trial balance. Then from trial balance, all income and expense are closed by passing closing entry in journal, and then we prepare PL account in ledger. आप समझ रहे हो? Have you understood this point? Correct? Have you understood this point? Have you understood this point? Respond. Next point. Point number 7. Trial balance is prepared to find out arithmetical या arithmetic accuracy of accounts. Correct? Understood? However, trial balance is not conclusive proof of arithmetic accuracy of account. Correct? Have you understood this point? Ki one thing is the first point, whatever I have written, trial balance is a conclusive proof. Is a trial balance is prepared to find out arithmetical accuracy of account. In the last class, I have said that if you have done some mistake, then there will be some difference in trial balance. If there is some difference in trial balance, so can I say we can find out yes there is some mistake. That mistake we can identify before preparing financial statement and we can rectify that. Correct? So yes, we can find out any error from trial balance, but it is not conclusive proof. It is not conclusive proof. Correct? Understood? Correct? लिखो. There are two types of error. Error. Correct? Point number A, two-sided error. Two-sided error. देखो. Due to two-sided error, there is there is ये देखो. Due to two-sided error, no difference will arise in debit total and credit total of trial balance. Correct? For example, for example, a transaction is not recorded in journal. A transaction is not recorded in journal. So can I say if a transaction is not recorded in journal, for example, we have done one purchase, the purchase from Mr. A, so the journal entry should be purchase account debit to Mr. A. But we forget to record it. So can I say we have not given purchase account effect as well as A account effect in the ledger. So automatically the debit aspect and credit aspect both are not recorded. So can I say it will not affect the balance, it will not affect the total of trial balance, and trial balance will tally and trial balance will tally. Bolo yes or no? So can I say two-sided error are more dangerous because that will not give rise to difference in trial balance, and therefore we say कि trial balance is not a conclusive proof of the arithmetical accuracy of account. Are you able to understand this point? बताओ. अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा ब्रीफ में पढ़ा रहा हूं, अभी डिटेल नहीं बता रहा, बट आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? करेक्ट. तो इफ ए ट्रांजेक्शन इज नॉट येट रिकॉर्डेड ओनली, अगर उसको रिकॉर्ड करना भूल गए तो बोथ द एस्पेक्ट्स आर नॉट रिकॉर्डेड. बोथ द एस्पेक्ट्स आर नॉट रिकॉर्डेड. बोथ द एस्पेक्ट, जब भी बोथ द एस्पेक्ट्स आर नॉट रिकॉर्डेड तो कैन आई से इट मींस ट्रायल बैलेंस विल टैली. इट मींस ट्रायल बैलेंस विल बी टैली. करेक्ट? अंडरस्टूड? यस सर. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? बोलो. यस सर. Point number B, one-sided error. One-sided error. Write down. Due to one-sided error, due to one-sided error, trial balance will have some difference in debit total and credit total. Correct? Understood? For example, record for example, one aspect of transaction means either debit or credit is not posted in ledger. तो अगर सपोज आपने एंट्री किया है परचेज account debit to Mr. A, correct now? And suppose while posting, this purchase account has been posted, debit कर दिया, but you forget to post in A account, not posted. Are you getting what I am saying? Purchase account you have done debited, but A account को credit करना भूल गया. It means credit total will be now less than debit total. Credit total will be less than debit total, means some difference will arise in trial balance. So we can find out, yes, there is some error. Yes, there is some error. Have you understood this point? Correct? Have you understood this point? So these are known as one-sided error. One-sided error. Correct? देखो, such difference due to one-sided error is transferred to a temporary account. Such difference is transferred to a temporary account known as what? बताओ, आपको ये पता है, known as which account? You know this account? Because ये account तो सब पढ़ाते हैं, बताओ, known as which account? बताओ. Very good. Suspense account. Correct? Understood? तो can I say all the errors need to be rectified before preparing balance sheet NSOPL. All the error need to be rectified before preparing balance sheet NSOPL by recording rectified journal entry. Correct? By recording rectified journal entries. Correct? ठीक है. So this rectified journal entry will be discussed in chapter rectification of error. Rectification of error. तो ये अभी नहीं बताऊंगा. This I will do at the end. अभी तो I am just making you expert in journal entry. अभी rectified journal entry नहीं करना. That I will do at the end. जब आप मुझे लगेगा कि now you have become strong, then I will come to this chapter. But I think you have understood कि this all the error need to be rectified before preparing balance sheet and PL account by recording rectified journal entry. तो बताओ rectified journal entry will be recorded before trial balance कि after trial balance. बताओ before trial balance कि after trial balance. Everyone, rectified journal entry will be prepared before trial balance कि after trial balance. Very good. After trial balance बताओ in which book बताओ. आफ्टर ट्रायल बैलेंस सही बोला. इन विच बुक? इन विच बुक नालायक. बिफोर ट्रायल बैलेंस कैसे होगा? यू आइडेंटिफाइड द डिफरेंस. एरर आइडेंटिफाई किया ट्रायल बैलेंस में, तो आफ्टर ट्रायल बैलेंस यू विल प्रिपेयर रेक्टिफाइड जर्नल एंट्रीज ना. अभी तक नहीं समझ पा रहे हो. यू प्रिपेयर ट्रायल बैलेंस, you identified some difference, then you are recording rectified journal entry, so that is after trial balance ना. तो those who are saying before trial balance, समझो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं. ठीक है, रट्टाफिकेशन मत जाओ. जर्नल एंट्री जैसे लिख दिया आपका दिमाग बिफोर चला जाता है. ठीक है. आफ्टर ट्रायल बैलेंस इन व्हाट? जर्नल. वेरी गुड. इन जर्नल. इन जर्नल. करेक्ट. This you understood? Have you understood this? Now, how to rectify? What is one-sided error, two-sided error? What are different types of error? All discussion. This all detailed discussion will be done separately in a separate chapter. Correct? Rectification of error. वहां डिस्कस करेंगे. तो अभी इसके बारे में छोड़ दो. I think one thing you have understood. Due to one-sided error, some difference will arise in trial balance, and that difference is transferred to suspense account. So before preparing what? Final account, you need to close suspense account. You need to close suspense account by passing rectifying journal entry, by recording rectified journal entry. Correct? लिखो. After rectification of error, can I say suspense account will be closed, will be automatically closed. Automatically closed. Automatically closed means nil balance. Nil balance. Correct? and hence suspense account will not appear in balance sheet, will not appear in balance sheet. So can I say before preparing final account we need to close suspense account by recording rectify entry? इतना समझो. How to do rectification अभी करना है. Correct? Are you getting? I'm just giving the process समझा रहा हूँ. Have you understood? Now once the rectification entry done, suspense account will close. Means suspense account will never appear in balance sheet. Correct? Have you understood this point? This point you understood? Yes, sir. Understood? Correct? देखो, suspense account is a temporary account and it is neither neither real account nor personal account nor nominal account. Correct? So it is only a temporary account for the time being. So it is neither real account nor nominal account nor personal account. Therefore, it will not be transferred to PL as well as balance sheet. This much you understood? Correct? Have you understood this?